Here are the next 8 sounds, numbers 24 through 31 of the 44 sounds of English. They're called digraphs. This lesson marks the halfway point in our phonics lessons. With the short vowels and consonants, you now know 23 of the 44 sounds of English. It's a good time to let you know that the lessons will be more challenging from this point forward. Up to now, all of the sounds we have learned have been vowels or consonants. This lesson adds another 8 sounds, and there will be 20 new sight words. This lesson also introduces you to homophones, plurals, and possessives. Plus, you will have quite a few rules and definitions, so this is a good time for some special instructions. As you begin each new step, concentrate on learning the sounds. This is the first goal. Words are next in importance, both phonetic words, sight words, and bonus words. Rules and definitions are helpful, but they are less important. Plus, you will see them all again when you reach the review. Now, let's focus on the digraph. A digraph is 2 consonants combined to form one sound that's different from all other sounds. Digraphs can be at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. And they can be part of a blend with another consonant. When learning digraphs, it's helpful to remember that some sounds are voiced and some are voiceless. Voiced sounds are made by using a flow of air plus the voice. And voiceless sounds are made with just a puff of air. 2 of the digraphs we are learning, SH and TH, are voiced in some words and voiceless in others. The voiced forms of each will be followed by a small plus sign to help you notice to add the voice. So let's begin. CH is for the sound ch, as in church. SH is for the sound sh, as in shell. Voiced SH is for the sound zh, as in treasure. TH is for the sound th, as in thumb. Voiced TH is for the sound th, as in feather. WH. Note, the WH digraph is a little different from the rest. It's not a new sound, but changes WH to HW. WH is for the sound wh, as in wheel. NG is for the sound as in ring. NK is for the sound unk, as in bank. Let's review the sounds from this lesson one more time. CH is for the sound ch, as in church. SH is for the sound sh, as in shell. Voiced SH is for the sound zh, as in treasure. TH is for the sound th, as in thumb. Voiced TH is for the sound th, as in feather. WH is for the sound wh, as in wheel, and G is for the sound as in ring, and K is for the sound unk, as in bank. With this lesson, you are beginning the second half of the 44 sounds of English. Students usually find that the remaining sounds present some challenges. Just continue to work at your own speed. Practice the new sounds several times before moving on.